Here we've got side, side, side. We don't have any of the angles. But if you think about some of your old geometry stuff, you might notice that these two sides are exactly the same, which is an isosceles triangle. And if you know anything about isosceles triangles, if these two sides are the same, that means these two angles will be the same. So if we can find one of those angles, then we can quickly find the other. Or if we find angle H, we can subtract it from 180 and then just divide it by 2 because those are both the same angle. Doesn't matter either way. Let's go with finding angle H. So we would start with the side that corresponds with angle H, which is 9 all by itself. 9 squared equals, whoa, weird, we got a light show going on here, folks. 14 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times 14 times 14 times the cosine of the angle that matches up with 9. And the angle that matches up is angle H. So let's see, 14 squared is 196, plus another 196 is 392, minus 196 times 2, it's another 392. I don't know why I put that in my calculator. Same number. End of the school day, kids. End of the school day. So we'll subtract a 392 from both sides. 81 minus 392 is negative 311 equals negative 392 cosine of H. Forgot my S up there. So if we divide by negative 392, divided by negative 392, we get 0.793 equals cosine of H. If we do the inverse cosine of that, we get 37.5 degrees-ish. This angle, bottom right, is 37.5 degrees. So if we're figuring out the other two, we could do 180 minus the 37.5, 38, 39, 40, 142.5. I'm just going to check that really quick. I feel silly. Okay. Now, that is these two angles, and they are both the same. So we can just divide 142.5 by 2, and that'll give us each angle. Half of 142 would be 71, half of 0.5 would be 0.25, so we could say 71.3 with estimation. You could go with the 0.25, but if we are rounding everything to the nearest tenth, that would be 71.3 degrees each. Now I know that if you added those three angles up now, it would be 180.1. That's okay. We were going with estimates. We were doing the rounding. That's fine. All right, so give it a whirl.